When we are successful, then what we do? We discussed earlier, when something goes wrong, we concluded that what we do, 1, 2, 3. But when we are succeeding in something, then what we do? What is our general reaction?
Yeah, we'll be going to the temple immediately and we'll be praying the God and putting money in the hundi and asking him that we need more success in life.
Mostly people what they do is they take credit to themselves and they will never thank anybody. So mostly they take the whole credit and the whole blame game just goes away.
Okay. That's very honest answer, yes.
We celebrate and
Yeah.
we give party to each other and our subordinates and
But whom do you give credit for that?
to God.
There is a sense of arrogance coming inside that it's because of our hard work that we have succeeded and only we can do it, no one else can.
Only I could do it.
Yeah.
Nobody else could have done.
Arrogance comes in.
Arrogance sets in.
Some people tend to feel that they are not satisfied even if they are successful. They tend to demand for more and they feel that they could do much better at their positions and sometimes they feel many people ahead of them. So in a sense, a feel of insecurity as well and happiness at the same time. So.
Very good. Good answer.
The first thing that I do, I would call up my parents and say that, yeah, this has been done. And yeah, I am thankful to her or him, or my dad or mom.
For
This
what?
is the first thing. Because of them, they have done a lot for me and I am here because of them. So this is the first thing that I do every
But
day.
why do you remember that only when you succeed?
Every day we call our parents. It is not that we don't call. But
Okay.
yes, whenever there is an occasion which is happiness or failure, I call them every time.
For both you blame them.
No, not
Or give the
really.
credit.
For failure, it is like they are supporting me. Whenever I am sad, I'll call them and tell them that this has gone wrong. So
Okay.
they are a support. They are my lifeline.
We actually try to show the world and आजकल तो Facebook, WhatsApp आ गया, so we just update the status कि well I have achieved so and so things and we just see कि और कितने लोगों को बता सकते. We try to boast
You try
ourselves.
to get more and more credit,
yeah.
more and more applaud from more and more people.
people.
Yes.
There's a saying in Hindi कि पानी की तासीर है कि आगे बढ़ते ही जाना है. So once we achieve it, we'll just set an eye on the next goal and nothing else.
But who do you give credit for that achievement?
I mean, me or my parents, that's it, because they have paid for the fees. That's it.
So faculty members are sitting here, so you have no credit to be given, huh? Today we have become so self-centric. हम लोग अपने आप में इतना खुद को पसंद करना चाहिए, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन दूसरे रूप से अच्छे काम करेंगे तो सुबह अपना चेहरा जब शीशे में देखेंगे आपसे अपने आप को प्यार हो जाएगा. वो होना चाहिए और अच्छी बात है, लेकिन कभी गलत काम करेंगे या कुछ भी गलत करेंगे और अगले दिन चेहरा देखोगे तो लगेगा यार कुछ गड़बड़ किया मैंने. अपने आप से प्यार करना सीखो. ये उसका निष्कर्ष ये है. If you like your face every morning, because मैं हमेशा अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी कहता हूँ कि start liking your own face and you like your face more and more if you do more and more good. Not only to yourself, if you do more good to the society, you like even more to yourself. मुझे आज इस हाउस के सामने एडमिट पहली टाइम कर रहा हूँ मैं. जब से शो शुरू किया है मुझे लगता है कि आई बिकम 6 years younger because that feeling of gratitude sets in. That मुझे समाज ने इतना कुछ दिया, मैं इतना कुछ कामयाब हुआ, आगे बढ़ा, कुछ ना कुछ वापस लौटाऊं. वो sense of gratitude releases different kind of juices in your mind and in your body which makes you feel better and young. Anyway, that's a different subject. But लेकिन आज के दिन हमने ये मेरा ख्याल से by and large the house is in agreement that when something wrong happens we blame somebody else. Something good happens, we succeed, we give shabashi to ourselves, we forget telling somebody else that you did very well. I would give my teachers the also very strong gratitude. And they could be getting paid and yet they will not teach you properly. So don't say that your gratitude is discharged or the sense of gratitude is discharged because they are getting paid. Many people get paid but they still cheat you. So I think you should find more and more people to share your gratitude because of whom you may have succeeded. Many, many examples. I just recently read in a New York Times, I was in USA that day particularly, so there was a Patel from Gujarat having a shop in front of a office complex. And the people working there, they realized that this fellow has not taken a single day leave in 17 years and have been serving all of us untired, without anything. So they all got together, 20 of them. They bought him a holiday ticket, paid hotel, everything for 2 weeks. A kind of form of expression of gratitude to a person. Otherwise, अमेरिकन सोसाइटी बोले क्या मेरा क्या है वो मैं जब कुछ सामान खरीदता हूँ उसकी दुकान से पैसा देता हूँ. What gratitude? Why? They will ask question why for everything. But they felt that this fellow is serving us for 17 years without taking a single holiday. Lekin in our country what we do, we don't give credit or gratitude to the people who deserve. But most of us have got into different things. We will praise people who are powerful in front of us so that they don't harm us. We praise some people, those who are in a place who can help us, who can give us something. झूठी उसकी बड़ाई करेंगे. चापलूसी जिसका नाम कहते हैं. Chaplacy, gratitude, they are two different things. Always remember.